Hey Trailblazers, it's Jerry here. Over the years, I've developed my business and I've had my fair shares and ups and downs. And today I want to share with you something that has been a game changer. The journey to success isn't a straight line. It's filled with twists and turns and sometimes unexpected detours. We've all set goals, like I want to be successful or I want to get fit, but how many of us actually feel lost or overwhelmed trying to achieve them? That's where SMART goals come in. They're not just goals, they're your roadmap to success. And I'm sure you've heard about SMART goals before, but let's break them down a little bit deeper. So imagine you're setting a destination on Google Maps. You wouldn't just type in somewhere up north, right? You'd be specific. That's the essence of SMART goals. I love a good quote. So let's start with Benjamin Franklin, who once said, "By failing to prepare, you are preparing to fail." And to be honest, he couldn't be more right. Many times I've come at my objectives with no strategy and got nowhere, but when I make a plan, a step-by-step guide, even though it feels arduous at first, I can see the progress as I develop and it keeps me on track. So let's dive deep. The S in SMART stands for specific. Instead of saying, I want to grow my business, how about I want to gain 10 new clients in the next 3 months? See how it breaks it down? It's just a little bit different. It gives you direction. The M is for measurable. It's about having a clear metric. So for example, instead of being more active on social media, you'd say, I aim to post 3 times a week and gain 50 new followers every month. But like Simon Sinek says, always remember the why. Why am I posting? And why do I want 50 new followers? The A is for achievable. It's about setting goals that are challenging, but you are actually able to reach them. Because everyone's environment is different and this needs to be taken into consideration. For example, if you have a full-time job and children, you may have less spare time to work on your side hustle than a freelancer with no children. Always put your time into context with your environment. We don't all have the same workable 24 hours. The R is for relevant. Every goal you set should align with your bigger vision and mission and desire. For me, it's about making coaching techniques more available to support others on their journey to self-actualization while building a lifestyle business that incorporates mental and physical well-being. So everything I do will align with those goals and dreams and ambitions. And the T, well, that's for time bound. Set a clear deadline for your goals. It's the difference between I'll write a book someday, I'll write 50,000 words by the end of the year. The key is to break it down into small, manageable steps that's within your workable schedule. Be kind to yourself and give yourself the time and space to grow. But not too much time that you lose motivation and not too little time that you get burnt out. So planning and being flexible is key. I can't emphasize enough to be kind to yourself. From my perspective as a coaching psychologist, I've seen the magic of SMART goals and they're backed by solid psychological theories. So let's take a look at that. For example, if you look at Maslow's hierarchy of needs or Locke and Latham's goal-setting theories, these theories explain why and how SMART goals work. If you haven't met him already, Maslow's theory suggests that humans' needs are organized hierarchically, from basic psychological needs to self-actualization, becoming all we can be. In the context of SMART goals, which stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, Maslow's theory can be applied to understanding the relevant aspect. Goals that align with your current level of need are more likely to be pursued with urgency and desire. What about Locke and Latham? Well, they propose that setting specific, challenging goals lead to higher performance. Therefore, don't be afraid to challenge yourself. And if we dive even deeper, blending ancient wisdom like the Socratic method and Aristotle's virtue ethics with SMART goals, that's where the real magic happens. Socratic method is the art of asking yourself deep questions to get to the core of who you are and what you believe. It's like being your own life coach and asking yourself, why do I want this goal? And what's holding me back? Aristotle would say, find the balance. For example, if your goal is to get fit, you don't want to go to the extremes like never eating carbs again or working out until you drop. Aristotle would say, find the balance, the virtue between laziness and overexertion. This aligns perfectly with the achievable part of the SMART goals. At the end of the day, it's about understanding yourself, our drives, our passions, and our dreams. And SMART goals, well, They're the tool that help you get there. I hope this resonates with you. And remember, with the right strategy and smart goals, you're not just dreaming, you're making those dreams a reality. And the hardest part really is getting started. If you found this helpful, then check out my free Smart Goal ebook below or sign up for personalized coaching. And for more insights, don't forget to visit my blog, and together, let's achieve greatness. And if you'd like my channel, please do me the favor and the honor of subscribing.